Hey there, foodies and health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a topic that might just change the way you look at your veggies. You've probably heard that raw vegetables are the healthiest option, but hold on to your aprons because we're about to uncover some surprising facts about cooked veggies and their nutritional benefits. So, let's talk about the 5 vegetables that pack an even bigger nutritional punch when they're cooked. I mean, who knew that cooking could be a secret weapon for maximizing the goodness in our food? First up, let's talk about asparagus. When you cook this green delight, you're not just softening it up, you're actually releasing antioxidants like chlorogenic acid. Research suggests that cooked asparagus might be a real powerhouse, offering higher antioxidant levels than its raw counterpart. And here's a fun fact: adding a little olive oil to the cooking process helps your body absorb those fat-soluble vitamins E and K. Next, let's talk about carrots. These orange wonders are packed with beta-carotene, a plant pigment with antioxidant properties. And guess what? Cooking carrots increases the amount of beta-carotene your body can absorb. In fact, one study found that stir-frying carrots made a whopping 75% of beta-carotene available, compared to a mere 11% in raw carrots. That's a huge difference. Now, let's move on to tomatoes. Cooking tomatoes is like unlocking a treasure trove of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that's great for your heart and overall health. But here's the catch: cooking does reduce the vitamin C content, so it's a trade-off. Mushrooms are another star on our list. Cooking these fungi increases their antioxidant content, specifically flavonoids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Quick cooking methods like steaming or microwaving are best, as overcooking can reduce some of those beneficial nutrients. And finally, we have spinach. Both raw and cooked spinach are nutritional powerhouses, but cooking can increase the absorption of beta-carotene. Steaming, in particular, helps retain more antioxidants, while boiling can lead to some losses. Cooked spinach also seems to be higher in minerals like iron and calcium, which is a real bonus. So, how can you incorporate more cooked veggies into your diet? It's easier than you think. Steam some asparagus or carrots as a side dish, stir spinach into your eggs or pasta, add sautéed mushrooms to salads or grain bowls, and simmer tomatoes into sauces or soups. In my opinion, this knowledge is a game changer. It shows that cooking isn't just about taste, it's a way to enhance the nutritional value of our food. So, the next time you're cooking, remember that you're not just creating a meal, you're crafting a healthier you. I hope this has inspired you to experiment with your veggies and discover the hidden benefits of cooking. Until next time, happy and healthy cooking, everyone.